Let's be honest, keeping your training content fresh and your learners engaged can feel like trying to fix a plane mid-flight. If you've ever spent a weekend redoing onboarding slides or answering the same, "How do I log in?" question 5 times, you deserve a break and a better system. And that's where the AI should take over. Let us break this to you. AI doesn't replace you, it backs you up. One that never sleeps, never complains, and actually gets stuff done. It figures out what each learner needs, gives them feedback right away, and saves you from building the same course 3 different ways. It's not just easier, it works. Trainers using AI say onboarding's quicker. People actually remember stuff, and support tickets, way down. Use it for the stuff that eats your time: onboarding, compliance, tech upskilling. AI's got it covered. You still lead the charge, AI just handles the grunt work. So your time goes into what you love, helping people grow. Subscribe and join the community that's powering next-gen corporate training, or visit our website now.